Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheena from Lughnasadh, and I know it has been a really long while this time around since I uploaded to this channel. It's not that I'm abandoning the channel, no, it's just that I decided to take sort of a break from the journaling world for a while, because I think about a month ago I was in the midst of finishing one of my custom orders, and then I just hit a sort of a rut, a really bad rut where I didn't feel inspired. I just didn't feel like doing anything, and when I just sat down in front of my workspace, nothing really shouts to me, or things like that. And on top of that, my country, Malaysia, has ceased all international shipping. We're using the local post office, but there are still ways to do international shipping, but the price will be very expensive. They'll have to be by DHL and things like that. So I guess on top of that, news of that is it just really got to me. And when you're sitting in front of your workspace for an hour and nothing just reaches out to you, it takes a toll sometimes. So I apologize for not being upfront with you guys about how I was feeling and whatnot. I think this is the second time this year that I've sort of been stuck. And yes, so again, I apologize for not saying anything. I just decided to take a step back and just shut myself. It's a very bad habit of mine, but it's something that I have to work on, unfortunately. But today I am very happy. I kind of got my mojo back about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. It's been a slow ride, but I managed to finish my design team project for On A Whimsical Adventure. It's actually for the month of September. I realize it's August. I'm a bit late, so I apologize again. But this is the design team project, traveler's notebook that I did. And this is using the, let me see if I can pronounce that right. It's the Lughnasadh kit, journaling kit. So it comes with gorgeous papers, design elements, and also there's a journaling card, journal card set as well. I think that is a separate set. I'll list them down all in the description down below. So if you're interested, have a look at that. And so basically, this kit, Lughnasadh, is all about the harvest season, harvest festival. So in my head, I was thinking, since this is a month of Halloween as well, so pumpkins and spice and everything. So it's very much, I tried to stick to autumn shades. So there's a lot of browns and yellows and sepia tones in here, but there is hints of other colors as well, just to brighten up the page a bit. So yes, so this is how she looks like. So this image is from the kit as well, and there's a bit of fabric tabs here, and like so. So for this one, usually I have a charm on the front, but this one I decided to go with this sort of a tree stem bark. I thought it was kind of cool. I feel like it kind of marks the end of the beginning basically of harvest season. So this here is actually a pocket, a tuck spot. I added just a few buttons, and of course we have this plaid fabric here, so you could include something in here like so, right? And then on the inside, here we go. Like I mentioned, I was trying to use a lot of really, you know, dark colors about autumn, I guess. So this is a postcard. This is sort of a goldish kind of tone to it. So I figured that would be really nice, and with the flower here, which is really really bright, brightens up the page basically. This is a journaling card inside here, and then we also have an envelope flap here. Usually I would have this in the front, but I didn't want to cover this, so I decided to put it on the inside. And we have some sari trims here again with the colors. I am absolutely dying for these colors. And then this is from the kit as well, so this is a journaling card. And the kit also comes with not just, you know, designed papers like this, you know, this one. There are ones that are, you know, busy like so, and there are ones that are, you know, sort of a toned down design, which you can, you know, journal on the back of it. Instead of journaling here, you know, your writing won't show up here. So I like that the kit also comes with that. It also comes with a set of plain papers as well, in case you want to decorate the back of your journaling cards and things like that. So this is a pocket. This is from the kit as well, so I decided to just leave this up to the owner, future owner of this journal, however he or she would like to decorate it. And then a bit of really dark red ruffles on the bottom. And on the inside, I did a bit of fabric collaging here again, so trying to give that raw sort of look to things. This is a really pretty family picture. I love it. This is from an old greeting card. Just decided to do a bit of collaging. So this gorgeous background here is also from the kit. As you can tell, like I said, the colors are absolutely perfect for autumn, or pretty much, you know, October as well, despite the kit being, you know, an August theme. And then inside this pocket, this is from the kit as well. This is one of the journaling cards. That's from the kit as well. So I just printed the journaling cards or the images, and then turned the paper over in my printer just to print out some of the more muted images on the back. And then I made another pocket here. These are some mini journaling cards on vegetables and whatnot. Like I said, it's very farm oriented. And then yeah, this is a tuck spot basically here, like so. And then again, another image from the kit. I made this into a pocket like so. This is a vintage recipe that I have, so I just sort of clipped it there just to give it a lived-in look, if that makes sense. And then this is also another pocket. I've added some vintage recipe cards here. This is for Oat Krispies and brown sugar cookies. Quick question, do you guys ever tried out the recipes on these vintage greeting cards? If you have, let me know, and let me know how it goes. I've been tempted to try a few of them actually. Again, this is also from the kit. So we have some fabric tab at the side here. This is also, this gorgeous picture is also from the kit. We have some Sears catalog here, some fabric here as well. And then we have some music pages, some old children's book page. This is also from the kit, very gorgeous. I think you could, you know, if you could journal around here and have this as a background, that would be really pretty, wouldn't it? And then this one on the back here is also from the kit. I made a little pocket here out of stamps, with those book stamps pages, and then we just have a few journaling cards here as well, like so. Some fabric tab again, and then this is the one that has the little charm here. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try and bring it closer. Yeah, like so. So that's the boho charm that comes with this journal. So I'm trying very hard to leave the coffee stain papers empty just because I wanted more journaling space for, you know, the owner of this journal. And here we have a vintage letter, or was it an order form or some sort on harvesting machinery. So again, very appropriate for this theme. This is a vintage, sort of a cutout. I don't know where this is from, but it came with a bunch of calling cards that I purchased a while ago. This gorgeous page is also from the kit, which I made into sort of an inside of an envelope, and just added a wax seal here as well. So this is the center. Again, this gorgeous image. I wanted to make this the center just because I wanted to have this whole view here to be, you know, the primary focus of this journal. And also I've left it as is again, so you could, you know, create your own pockets like so, or, you know, have your letters here. And I've also included a few things here as well. This is a really very pretty postcard that I managed to find of, it's called the Old Mill. I didn't even know I had this postcard because the majority I have lots of florals, so I was very happy to have found that. And then a journaling card as well. This was actually meant to be on the front, so you would have it something like that, which is why you can probably see why the stamp is at the bottom, because, you know, I kind of want the eyes to be drawn towards, you know, sort of diagonally like that. But I decided I didn't really want to cover this part as well, so I decided to put this in the center of the journal instead. And then we also have one of the railroad antique papers as well, so that's in here. All right. And this is also the part from the kit. You might not be able to see that much here, but that's more of it here. And then we have more fabric tabs here. Again, with the tabs, I try to stick to the colors. This is from the kit as well. Really pretty, you know, papers, very versatile as well. And this is, I think this is one of my favorite spreads of the journal. So we have some herb cards here, right? And then a journaling card here as well. I made a little mini belly band here. And then this is a side, you know, pocket right there. And then I did a bit of clip in here as well, like so. Some vintage letters here as well. Let me just tuck that in. I will rearrange that later. And then this is one of the journaling cards from the kit as well. And then you could put something in here like that, and then you could, you know, do your own journaling here as well. Fabric pocket, a French letter in here, and this is one of the journaling cards as well. This L stands for the name of the kit, Lughnasadh once again, or Llamas, which is the Harvest Festival one, so you can journal on the back of that. And then of course I had to include one Christmas postcard because Christmas is 3 months away or less than that. So again, I thought the colors went very well with the theme. The other side of the Sears catalog. So this is a pocket as well. Inside we have, this is from the kit. Then I've included in some vintage receipts here, and also another journaling card that I made out of pattern paper. Like so. Hold on. And that's the other side of that really pretty people imagery right there. This is a vintage calling card as well, and then that's part of the kids journaling card as well, right there. So lots of reds, lots of bright reds, sepia tones and whatnot in here. Leisure paper, that opens up like so. You could do more journaling here as well. This is from the kit. Made it into a side tuck spot with a few vintage receipts in here, so checks, what was it, receipts. So yes, a lot of journaling space. And some gorgeous sari trim for as a fabric tab as well. This is also another belly band. So we have this one of those pages from the stamp catalogs. Just tuck that in there. And this is also a pocket. This I printed a few transparencies. So this one I just made into a pocket so you could put something inside. Like so. And then that's from the kit as well. Inside here we have some vintage train tickets, like so. That is the gorgeous, gorgeous paper that we have from the kit. And then here I've included another postcard, like so, for health and happiness. So again, very, very autumn colors, as you can tell. This gorgeous background is also from the kit. So quite a fair bit of belly bands in this journal, like so. And then that's the back of the envelope. Again, I did a bit of wax seal here. So at the back here is a side pocket. This is a floating pocket. So there's two things in here. And then this one is like the kit. This is the one that I've been trying to pronounce for quite a while. So that's that. Yes, so I thought it was just a nice sort of information on the theme, you know, just in case. And then this is an vintage paper. I think this is from an insurance book, if I'm not mistaken. So that is there. And yeah, so that is the design team project of mine for On A Whimsical Adventure. Again, details and everything will be in the description down below. And I have another video coming out this weekend? Yeah, it should be up this weekend, and that would be for the envelope collection that's on my Instagram. Yes, so keep a lookout for that, and I will see you in my next video. In the meantime, stay safe, everyone, and I am absolutely happy to be back. Absolutely splendid. Bye, guys.